There's so many people that need help, whether they're sick, whether it's mental help.
I've kind of always known that I would follow the medical route, and I decided to start applying for different nursing programs, and I was accepted to Dixie Tech.
I looked into it and said, hey, I can do this. I'm a little bit older than some of the other people here, but it's been a really great second chance, a career that I can change people's lives.
I wasn't 100% sure what to expect, but was blown away by the amount of stuff we were able to do.
This program has been so great for my confidence.
I feel like this profession comes from the experience.
You'll spend half the time clinically in the lab here, and then you'll spend the other time in the classroom.
The way that it's structured, it makes it doable and so much more digestible to be able to learn about something hands-on, I think was something that was incredible to be able to do.
Being able to build friendship, to turn to one another, and to be able to learn that early on has been one of my favorite things.
It was good to have that feeling of fraternity. You don't really find it in very many places. Going through an accelerated course like this is a very good one to find family. The cool thing that I found was finding like that close group of friends that can help push you through it and motivate you.
I don't feel like I'm just a number here at Dixie Tech. I feel like the instructors and my peers genuinely care about me and want to see me succeed.
Your professors are definitely part of your team.
Honestly, I would probably just take the class just to have them as teachers.
I ended up being able to work at the hospital through Dixie Tech.
We had the opportunity to go to Intermountain, work directly in the hospital, at skilled nursing facilities and an adolescent home in town. So you get a really good broad spectrum of actually doing the nursing in the clinical sides of things.
I definitely feel a lot more confident going through clinicals compared to the first clinical. I was treated more as like my own nurse. My nurse was like, you know what to do, take care of it. So my confidence definitely grew with the more I knew.
They just make it really interactive and they're super fun and really chill.
The class size was really awesome as well. We were able to get a lot of one-on-one time with the teacher when we really needed it.
It really gets you in from the ground floor. It really gives you the opportunity to get working right away.
I think my biggest key to staying sane in nursing school would just be to laugh all the time, no matter what it is. Laugh at yourself, spend time with your family, spend time with your friends. That will keep you sane as you're pushing yourself.
It was a struggle, but it was worth it.
Dixie Tech, man, it's awesome. Really good instruction along the way. Like big bang for your buck probably is the best way to put it.
I definitely think that this is where I belong.